friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of our September card kit. I am so excited about this card kit because I love sunflowers and I love gorgeous vintage patterns and I love beautiful papers and fun embellishments, and we have them all in this kit. This month we're going to be making an all-occasion card kit with lots of interactive cards, easy to mail cards, even a fun little dimensional folio using Ciao Farmhouse garden papers. This collection is absolutely stunning. It's perfect for that transition from summer into fall. You're going to find cards in here that you can use for get well cards, for happy anniversary cards, for happy birthday cards. We're going to do masculine cards. We're going to do cards, feminine cards, cards for pet lovers. It's going to be an amazing kit. I've been planning it all week. So in your kit, you're going to get 12 sheets of double-sided paper, 8 by 8. You're also going to get the wonderful A4 cut-apart pad, which just is filled with all the wonderful ephemera and images that make a card kit really special. Look at these clocks, this wonderful medallion clock, great images, beautiful patterns on the back. There is so much to work with here. The hard thing is going to be deciding what to use where. Look at this leaf print, so gorgeous for fall. Beautiful sunflowers. I mean, just really a stunning, stunning paper collection. I'm so excited we were able to get this for our September quarterly card kit. And then, in addition to the beautiful papers, I've designed 2 sheets of gorgeous sentiments to go with this collection. I did the graphics myself and the sentiments and all the typography, and you're going to get 2 sheets of these in your kit that all you have to do is cut out and put in your cards. Makes it really easy to have great sentiments. You're going to receive a gorgeous slimline card base, 2 window envelopes for shaker cards. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of 8.5 by 11 colored card stock for matting and mechanisms. You're going to receive a gorgeous sheet of 12 by 12 champagne shimmer paper. I love this paper. You're going to get 2 sheets of 6 by 12 natural cardstock. This is really heavyweight, very high quality. 12 sheets of this same natural cardstock. This is heavy and beautiful and smooth. It just feels luxurious. I love this cardstock. Then for embellishments, boy, oh boy, did we ever do it with embellishments this time. You're going to get a pack of Simple Stories Fall Color Vibe buttons. There are 24 buttons in here, and they coordinate beautifully with the paper collection. Then you're going to get this packet of 120 Color Vibe chipboard pieces that we can use to add fun details to our cards and folios. You're going to get a pack of Buttons Galore and More, Touch of Fall sequins. I don't know if you can see, but there's little tiny leaves in here, so cute. You're going to get 5 yards of twine, burlap twine in various colors. This is going to be such a great addition. You're going to get 2 yards of cream seam binding ribbon. You're going to get 10 of these beautiful mulberry flowers, sunflowers. I love these. You're going to get 10 of these beautiful coconut shell buttons. These look so great on a vintage card, and you know me, I love my buttons. And then you're going to get 6 of these sunflower charms in various shades to embellish our cards with. So beautiful. You'll also have access to step-by-step video tutorials, and you'll receive a full color basic written guide with measurements and basic instructions for making the cards. So this kit is going to be fantastic. It will be ready for purchase on the 28th. If you're a member of my card quarterly card club kit. You don't have to do a thing. It will automatically be shipped to you. If you're not a member, you can still join. There's some savings for members that are pretty cool. And if you don't want to become a member, you can still order the kit, even if you're not a member. If you just love these papers and you want to be part of this fun card making adventure, just go ahead and order the kit at Button Farm Club. Members receive their kits first, so whatever's left over we fulfill in the order as it comes in. I'll put the link to Button Farm Club in the description box below. I just want you to see what we're going to be doing with our September quarterly card kit, Ciao Bella Farmhouse Garden. I can't wait to dig in and start cutting up these pretty papers. All right, guys, you know what I'll be doing. I'll talk to you soon. Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. Go get your craft on.